Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
I know you belong to somebody new, but tonight you belong to me.
Bounce that booty like a basketball. If you don't shake it at all. Bounce that booty like a basketball. If you don't shake it at all.
The fact that my dog was laying down on the rug for the last hour is crazy because I could have stepped on him.
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog.
Hey, do you want to make a TikTok with me?
No thanks. I'm fine.
When I wake up in the morning, touch his little floofster, see his little mittens, give his nose a boopster, then his tongue comes out and lickety-lickety-lick.
Blaze, grab your puppuccino, dude.
Come on, Herc, it's not a treat. Come on, Herky. Herky? Herc. Yeah, Herc, you're almost...
Singing in the bathtub always makes it more fun. When bath time comes along, then we get to sing the Scrub-a-Dub song. It goes like this, you sing along too, okay?
Wanna go for a walk, Doz? On a hoverboard walk? Let's go! I just want to say one thing. TikTok, please verify us. We just got recognized. Full speed! Thank you for 2.6 million.
Hello? Hello! Are you a dog? Yes! I am also a dog.
All right!
Yeah!
We're dogs!
Yeah.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man!
Senna! Do not bring those sticks in here! Senna, take it outside now. Senna? Senna, sticks are for outside. Let go of it. Senna, let go. Senna!
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Can you stop being so cute?
You realize that the pool's empty, right?
Oh, hi there, friend. It's me, your human. I take care of yous, cause you're a little baby. Let me give you your boops. Boop. That's right.
I miss it.
You sure it was him? It was definitely. There he is, right there. Look. Wait till I get you. Right there on the motorcycle. Wait till I get you.
Boo! Why are you so sad, huh? Do you not want to go to the vet? You gotta get your last shots, buddy. Are you okay? It's okay, Bubba.
Apparently, everyone on TikTok thinks my dog's ugly because every time I post him, he only gets like 10 likes. What the heck? How do you feel about this, McNabb? You sad, buddy?
Oh, she's coming. Oh, I see her. Oh, she thinks she's slick.
Get out of here. Get.
Freddie, what the heck do you want to send to Canada? Freddie, if you don't mind, I'd like to see what you're shipping. Lily? Lily's your sister. You can't ship her away.
Go.
Ja, leuk een Why? It just keeps going.
Hey! What are you doing? What are you? Come down. Come on, sweetheart. Oh, yeah. Oh my God.
Brody. Drop it. Brody, drop it. Drop it.
Go eat your food. No, go eat. Go eat your. Go eat your food. Get down. Get down. Go eat your food. You heard what I said. Don't make.